Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. For today's video, I'm going to share with you some air dry clay projects that I made, so let's get into it. For this project, I'm going to make like a little snake decor piece to add into any of your houseplant planters. I see these on Pinterest all the time and I think they're so cute even though I don't like snakes. Anyways, grab whatever sized planter that you want to work with. This is a 4.5-inch pot, and then I put some plastic wrap on it so that when I lay my snake on top of it to shape it, it doesn't stick to the planter, and also because this planter still has some dirt in it and I don't want the clay to get dirty. Grab a medium-sized piece of clay and roll it into a long coil. I had a little bit too much clay, so I trimmed some off here. I liked the thickness of the coil here, kind of like around the size of some of my fingers, and so I'm going to start shaping the head. And for the head, I just kind of like shaped it into like a triangle diamond shape. Now I'm going to place the coil on the planter and shape the snake how I want it to look, and you can do this in so many different ways. I'm going to trim off the extra clay that's hanging off of the end, and I like the shape of the snake, so now I'm going to take my clay off to finish up the snake's tail. I'm placing my snake back into its position and doing some last minute adjustments, and then I'm going to let this dry for a few days. Okay guys, so here's my snake dry and I don't need a sand, so now I'm going to paint. I wanted to add little flowers onto my snake for its design, and I'm doing that using some acrylic markers. Lastly, I'm sealing this using Decoart's triple thick gloss glaze. For this next project, I'm going to make an abstract bowl, so grab your choice of clay and roll it out. I'm placing a plate on top of my clay and I'm going to trace out a circle. I'm using some water to smooth out the edges. Now I'm going to place my clay into this bowl that I wrapped in plastic wrap because I don't want the clay to stick inside of the bowl. As I'm placing the clay into the bowl, I'm making sure to make waves in the clay, and you can do this neater if you want, but I really wanted like a crazy abstract looking dish. I'm happy with this, so now I'm gonna let this dry for a few days. Here's my bowl now that it's dry, and so now I'm gonna sand it and then paint. At first, I was going to paint this with watercolor paint, and it was my first time trying some of these paintbrushes, but I didn't like how streaky it was looking or how dark the watercolor was. I should have like diluted it way more. So then I just switched over to acrylic paint. I wanted to add little blueberries all over the bowl for its design, and I'm doing that using the acrylic markers that I got from ArtX. And you could definitely do this part with acrylic paint too, but the markers just make it so much easier and faster, which is why I chose to use them. I'm going to seal this bowl using Decor Art's triple thick gloss glaze, and I'm going to use this to hold hair ties. If you wanted to use this for like food, I would say maybe something like where you don't have to eat the peels, like little cuties or candy that's individually wrapped. This isn't food grade safe, and I don't know of any air dry clay that is food grade safe or like sealers that are food safe. So yeah, I would just use this more for like knickknacks rather than food. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys try one of these projects out and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!